Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, power sunroof, Bose sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, chrome mirror caps, power steering. Come take a test drive today.